Ness-ana TV.
Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will be introducing you to my family. This is my family. Can you see my parents, my uncle and my grandparents and me? Family. First, this is me. My name is Nina. Me. Meet my parents. Parents are the people who gave birth to you. Parents. This is my father. Can you say that? Again. Father. Mother. This is my mother. Can you say that? Again. Mother. Good job. Now meet my siblings. Siblings are the people you share the same parents with. Siblings. Brother. This is my brother. Can you say that? Again. Brother. Sister. This is my sister. Can you say that? Again. Sister. Ooh. The next people I want to introduce are my grandparents. Grandparents are the people who gave birth to your mom or dad. Grandparents. Grandfather. This is my grandfather. Can you say that? Again. I can hear you. Grandfather. Grandmother. This is my grandmother. Can you say that? Again. Grandmother. Good job. This is my uncle and this is my aunt. Uncle is the brother to your mom or dad, and aunt is the sister to your mom or dad. Good job. Uncle. This is my uncle. Can you say that? Again. Uncle. Good job. Aunt. Aunt. This is my aunt. Can you say that? Again. Aunt. Finally, meet my cousins. 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 Cousins are the children of your uncle or aunt. Cousins are the children of your uncle or aunt. Cousins. Cousins. These are my cousins. Can you see them? Cousins. Can you say that? Again. Cousins. Good job. Bye.